Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a channel read only, or how you can make a Discord server a specific channel read only. So in this case you have to choose the server first, then choose the channel, text channel, what you want to make read only. Like I'm choosing this general text, then click on this edit channel, go to permissions, the second option, then after that go to text channels, this one, text channel permissions, just make it all cross or red. Make sure you're selecting all cross, then click on save changes. Now go to your channel, and this is now read only channel. Okay guys, so this is how you can make your channel read only in Discord. So if you guys find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.